I'll show you how to quickly create a new document in Google Docs, step by step. First, open Google Chrome. At the top right corner, click on the Google Apps icon, the one with 9 small dots. Scroll down and click on Docs. This will open Google Docs. Now, click on the blank document option to create a new file. At the top left, click on the title that says Untitled Document and give your document a name. Let's call it New Document. Once your document is ready, you can easily share it with others using the Share button in the top right corner. And if you want to keep a copy on your computer, click on File, Download, and choose your preferred format like PDF or Word. And that's it. You've created your first Google Doc. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.